Welcome back, crafters, to another fun-packed episode of our weekly freebie show. Later in the show, we have this amazing freebie to give away. Take a look at that. This card has been embellished to perfection. Just look at the detail on the gift tag there. It also has a matching one too, you can see there. Both the card and the matching gift tag have this beautiful jewelled ribbon. I'll just put that back there so you can see, look, matching, looking absolutely gorgeous. The colours go really, really well together too. More of this beautiful freebie later. Let's move on. If any of you crafters watching today can make digital craft sheets, we would love to hear from you. Let me show you a short presentation on how to become a designer and start selling your work on Craftsuprint. Okay, I do hope you enjoyed that video, and if you are interested in selling your digital creations to fellow crafters, you need to apply to become a designer. Okay, crafters, it's time you have been waiting for. Yes, you guessed it, it's freebie time. Again, look at this stunner. Again, it's by our exclusive designer, Carol Clarke. It is called, are you ready? 3D Spring Flowers Pyramage Octagonal Floral Mini Kit. Lots of words for me to say. The cup number for this kit is cup 415520_359. It is a lovely 3D octagonal shaped card with a pyramage topper. Let me see if I can show you the sheet. It has a pyramage topper, as you can see there. It has a bow there, matching gift tags there, greeting tags. It also has a really beautiful card completed. It will make 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. This design is great for all female birthday cards, birthday invitations, new birthday cards, Mother's Day cards, and many, many more. Great for loads of occasions. Whatever you choose, it's really, really versatile. A lovely 3D mini kit that contains everything to make a really special card. There are 2 sheets, as you've already seen in the kit, including the cutout fold octagonal card base. You can see, oh, that's that one there. It has folded gift card tags, greeting pyramage, insert panels, greeting tags, blank tags, plus separate 3D pyramage bows, those ones there. But obviously you could add, ribbon bows if that's what you prefer. The full instructions are included in the download, but we also have a video tutorial. Let me hand you over to the very lovely Anne-Marie, who will show you how to make this show-stopping design. Over to you, Anne-Marie.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you from www.craftsuprint.com. Now in this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Carol Clarke, and the cup number is cup 415520_359. The kit is called the 3D Spring Flowers Pyramage Octagonal Floral Mini Kit. You get 2 sheets in the kit and you get the instructions from Carol. So I'd like to show you what you get in the kit first, and then we'll go on to make the card. So the first sheet in the kit is the actual base card for the design. So you don't need an extra card to be able to build up the toppers on or anything. Carol's created the card for you, so you'll be using that as your base card. There's some mini cards as well that could be used for tags, for labels, etc. if you're giving gifts. Perfect way to accessorise. Carol's included the score lines on the sheets as well, so that you can know where to score the card to be able to fold it. I personally would just I'd place that on my trimmer. I'm not going to trim it, but I'm going to just use an embossing tool to run down along the edge, just like this, and that would score the delve into it for me to go along and then fold it and use my bone folder when I've cut it out. Carol's included the score lines on the smaller cards as well. The second sheet that's in the actual mini kit, this is the Pyramage. Now Pyramage is the same as decoupage, but it's called Pyramage because each layer is smaller than the last layer, and it's building up to create a pyramid form. So as it reaches to the sun, the smallest layer is on the top, just like a pyramid. Carol's included the insert as well, some extra bows to embellish, and some a label with happy birthday on, and then a blank one in case you want to add your own sentiment. Now I think this is perfect for both advanced crafters and beginners, because advanced crafters could add their own spin on things, add some ribbon and pearls and a few embellishments, etc. Or a new crafter would just be able to create the kit from scratch as we're going to do, and you don't really need anything extra apart from your adhesive. So I've cut out the actual base card, I've scored it along the edge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my bone folder just to make sure that this is a nice sharp edge along the side, so that the card will stand up nicely, and it will. Now this is the front of the card, and this is the back side of the card. So we're going to add the insert first that Carol's included. Now this is the insert that I've printed off and I've cut out. I've got flat tape on the back of it. I've got my little arrow to tell me which way is the top. Just as a tip for any new crafters, I tend to do that just so basically while we're filming, so that I'm not thinking, oh, have I put that on upside down? So I just do that in pencil, and then I know which way around it's going to go. So I'm adding the insert just into the card like so, and press it down, trying to get it nice and straight. There we go. So there's a nice area for you to be able to write your message on, and sentiments, etc. So now we can fold our card up, and now I can build the Pyramage on the front. Now Pyramage, as I mentioned, is all about building a pyramid shape or platform towards the sun, if you think pyramid. So the base layer is the actual largest layer. Carol has numbered all the layers on the actual sheets anyway. So what you do is you add 3D foam on the back of it, and then you're going to marry up the actual design edge to edge for the first layer. So I think that's roughly about right. There we go. Then we're going to use the next layer. Again, 3D foam on the back because it's building each layer. And we're going to match the design from the previous layer. And then on to the third layer. There we go. Again, matching the design each time with the 3D foam for the layers underneath to give that distance between each layer. And the final layer is the centre of the flower, and I think that could be about there. There we go. And that is our little Pyramage centre for the card. Now I've also got one of the ribbons that Carol's included and the sentiment, and I'm going to attach the sentiment just to one side of the card, slotted under a little piece of the Pyramage, and then I'm going to add the bow just underneath it. There we go, just for something a little bit different. And that's our card finished. Stands up perfectly and looks gorgeous. Now Carol's also included the little mini cards as well, which are really cute for tags, as we looked at when we first looked at the sheets and I suggested. Now for these you could also cut one out and use it as a stamped image, not a stamped image, but the image for an envelope seal. That's the word I'm thinking of, a seal. So when you write your envelope, you could just accessorise. Now for a tag, all you have to do is score down the centre, fold it, use your bone folder again, and just make sure you've got your nice sharp crease and you've got your matching tag for your gift as well. Such a gorgeous mini kit. I just want to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 415520 sorry, I'm going to read that again. Cup number, cup 415520_359. And it's Carol Clarke, and if you want to check out any more of Carol's designs, please have a look at her page on Craftsuprint. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.
Thanks, Anne-Marie. You did a great job showing us all how to make this 3D Pyramage mini kit. Let me remind you of the cup number. The cup number for the kit is cup 415520_359 and was designed by our exclusive designer, Carol Clarke. Don't forget to follow Carol Clarke next time you visit our website using our Find and Follow feature. Before I go, I'd just like to thank Carol and Anne-Marie for their help making this week's video. If you enjoy looking at our freebies and you want to see more, it is really important that you tell all your friends about our weekly show and freebies. So it's really important that you share by clicking on Crafty Bob right there. Just click there. Share the link on Facebook too. That's all I have time for now this week. So until next time, bye!